Okay, here puts the dark. So I just put this. First I put this two things as light and dark, light and shadow, light and shadow. Only two things is there. First, here also I make the same thing, light and shadow. So first learn this only two things, light and shadow. Then I implement the next steps. Okay. So I just implement this, and this strokes called the rapid stroke. It's look like this. It's called the rapid stroke. Okay, you can make it this like this. One stroke. This coming, trying. It's called the rapid. So just do this. And we should do put in the shadow like this also. Okay, this is the object shadow. This is the object shadow. Okay. So object shadow also very important to draw. So now the object shadow and the shadow, they're almost the same. Okay. So what I do? Light, shadow, object shadow. Light, shadow, object shadow. Okay. So now I show one thing. Okay. This is few area actually highlights. This area only highlights. This area only highlights. This area only highlights. Few area. See, this is the highlights area. Only this area only. This is too much bright, right? You see this too much bright. So only this area you put no color, no pencil. Rest of the area you can put very lightly one steady. So it is only the pressure depends. See, this is light, this is dark, this is more dark, this is more dark. So only the depend your pencil pressure, how much pressure you put in. Light also I can off little bit of. Okay. It's light, but not that light. We are in light. We see some object color. Suppose this is a green color. So it should be some color because the green color is little dark. So I should make light area also little shadow, little color. This is actually shadow area. This is the highlights area. This is 1, 2, 3 highlights area. Now I can make the, after that I do, so I finish one. Number 1 I draw the object color. This is object color. It's very light color. This is object color. Then number 2 I draw this shadow. Number 3 I do now, this is dark shadow. Number 4, this is the object shadow. Okay. So first is object color. That is the color, not shadow. That is the object light. You can tell object light. This is the highlights. Number 5 is the highlights. See, object light, highlight, shadow, object shadow. Now I put a dark shadow. Dark shadow is like this. Very simple. We make this little more dark tone. This is dark shadow. Put the shadow like this. Understand, every day when you are learning this way, you are very capable to understand all light and shadow. For all object, how works light and shadow. Okay, you understand that. Why it looks like a oval, the dimension? Because the light and shadow, the highlights, light, dark shadow, reflection light, this is shadow, object shadow. That's why it looks like a dimension, like a 3 dimension. So we should understand that all objects how react these three-dimensional shapes. Okay, so I can do this. Say I just do this. Dark. It's a simple funda. Make it like this. Like this. Here also the same, the opposite of light, here do some dark shadow. Like this, you can do this. Okay, like this. Hello? Hello? Yes? Yes, yes sir. Yeah, that's why I was thinking that for you. Okay. Tomorrow come. Yeah, yeah. Sure. Morning is at 8:45. Yes. Yes, evening also just 4:45. Yeah. Okay, try to join the morning only. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Thank you, sir. So you can create this like this. Okay, just make like draw something like this, because in apple some texture is coming, some like this, some texture like this. Okay. Like this. Now I can create this. This is called the oculation shadow. Object shadow have two type of shadow. One is normal shadow and one is oculation shadow. This part is little, and near the object it's little more dark. That is called the oculation shadow, or you can call the cast shadow. So this makes your drawing more beautiful, more realistic. So you can put here, which is more dark shadow. It is for all object shadow. Is this part is lower dark and the outer is not that dark. Slowly is going. It's little more, yes better. Wow. I am no talking skill. It's just beautiful. I simply just can't believe. This line, proportion, shadows, all those are perfect. So we are making something dots line to create some more realistic. So our next drawing is a character, human or cartoon. It depends. Today I can show this creating the new character with a real reference. So making some dots line like this. So only make sure the highlights area should be no any color. This highlights area is completely light. This area is a full light. This area is a full light. Okay. So one more thing is important over here. This is called the reflection light. So reflection light, you need to understand what is the reflection light. Okay. I just want to share you here reflection light. Okay. So see this area is little light. This is a dark, but this happening, the light is coming over here and directly hit this area. Okay, light come here and directly hit this area. So that's why this area is little light. So for example, what is the area of light sessions? Yeah, I share you this is position. So the area of here, we just make it little, this area, little erase it. It looks more realistic. Just erase it. Because light's coming here and heat over here. So this area little light. Reflection. This light come here, reflect here. So this area is little light. Usually it is a shadow area, but we make it little small light also. Just little, not delete fully, not delete full. I put the dark area. This is dark. This is also dark, but small lights over here. It's coming more realistic. Your drawing. Okay. As well as here also. Just little erasing these two sides. Okay. So it's feel more realistic effect. Okay. See, it looks more realistic, and then you can make some little structure of these birds. Okay.